Hey guys, I'm Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel. Before start this video, be sure to subscribe and please hit that bell notification for getting update whenever I upload a new video, and follow me on my Instagram where I upload my new artwork on regular basis. Alright, as always, select your image, adjustment, channel mixture. Select blue channel, blue plus 30%. Here make green plus 70% and keep rest as 0%. Go to adjustment, selective color. Here select color reds, make cyan minus 100%, yellow plus 100% and keep rest as same 0%. Select color whites, black slide bar minus 50% and keep rest as same 0. Select neutrals, cyan plus 10%, yellow plus 5%, keep rest as same 0. Select blacks, cyan plus 100%, magenta plus 100%, yellow minus 15%. Black plus 10%. And that's it. This is my final output. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button, sharing this video and subscribe this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel to get more amazing Photoshop effect tutorials. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video soon. I am Dav from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel.